Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the camera timer on this device. First, let's open the camera app. To do it, tap this icon right here. And now in the camera app, we need to tap on this icon right here in the top left corner. And you will open this menu, and here we have three options: 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds timer. I'm gonna select 5 seconds, for example, by tapping on it, like this. And now when I try to take a picture, by pressing on the shutter button, the countdown will start, and after it's done, the picture will be taken. Like this. And that's how you turn on the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.